Hello there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on how you can set up your phone so you get notifications when you get messages from people on Google My Business. Now, you used to have a Google My Business app, but it's no longer available, so now you have to use Google Maps to do that function. Now, if you haven't got Google Maps on your phone, the way you get Google Maps is just go to Google search for Google Maps, and it should be the first thing that comes up. And it says installed because it's already installed on this phone, but for you, you'll have a download link if it's not already installed. And the other way that you can do that is to go to the Play Store and type in Google Maps, and there's Google Maps here, and you see you've got an open button. You'll have a download button. You can download it from there. Now once you've downloaded Google Maps, then you'll have a screen and it looks something like this. And what you want to do is, if you've got an Android phone and it's the same Gmail account that you've signed in on your Android phone that you use to set up your Google My Business account, then you're in luck, because your logo for your Gmail account should be in the top right hand corner next to the microphone. Now, if the logo is not there, or if it's not the account that you use to manage Google My Business, you'll need to log in. So the way to log in is just basically to go to the account and then to go add another account, and then what it'll do, it'll ask you what the Gmail address is, and that's where you type in the Gmail address for the business that you use for your Google My Business account. So once that's done, you come back here and you need to set up the notifications. And the way you set up the notifications is, again, you go here and then you want settings. So you go to settings here, and then you're looking for notifications. And then once you've got notifications, you go to your business, and then you get the option of turning notifications on for your business. And that is, and once you've pressed that, then you're good to go and you'll start getting notifications. Now, it may say that the app doesn't have access. Now, if the app doesn't have access, then what you need to do is you need to go to your settings, you need to go to notifications, you need to go to app for notifications, and you need to find the Google My Business app here. Yeah, there it is there. And once you've found that, you make sure that you turn it on, and then you're good to go. That means that you've got notifications, and your phone's going to ping when you get a message from Google My Business. Now, when you get the notification, all you need to do is just click on the notification, and then you'll go straight to a screen on your phone where you can have a conversation with the client, and then you can sort out the lead from there. Now, one thing that you should remember is that you really need to respond to these notifications as quick as possible. If you don't respond to notifications within 24 hours, and you do that 2 or 3 times, then Google will withdraw this feature from your account. So, and that's going to cost you a few leads every month at least. So make sure that you get in there and that you get this set up and that it's working correctly. If you have any questions, you can ask me below, and meanwhile, get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.